Welcome to 1017 Ocean View. We're here 1 block from the beach in this amazing, brand new built custom home. Come see it. Some houses built for spec, they're just that, they're spec houses. This home was built like a custom home with love, care, and attention to detail. That's why you have this spectacular showstopper kitchen, amazing layout that includes 2 primary suites, 2 additional bedrooms, and spectacular indoor-outdoor living. This pool and all of this house is beachfront living, southern living at its finest. This home was designed for this lot, and for that reason the owner was able to fit in 2 primary suites, 2 additional bedrooms, 4 full baths, 2 half baths, 2 living areas, a large swimming pool, a 2-car garage, spacious closets, and a closet that you can lock when you leave. The property is being sold fully furnished. It's everything you need and more. Give us a call today to see this beautiful home.